How would you feel if you are the person in the footage and the building that is getting destroyed is your bank? In a world where financial giants hold sway over the global economy, even the most venerable institutions can crumble.
Intelligence Studio. Do subscribe and like the video.
The collapse of Credit Suisse in March 2023 serves as a stark reminder of this reality. Today, we delve into the intricate tale of scandals, strategic missteps, and market upheavals that led to the downfall of one of Switzerland's most storied banks. Credit Suisse, a titan in the financial world, was founded as Schweizerische Kreditanstalt in 1856. Throughout its history, it grew to become Switzerland's second-largest bank, commanding assets under management of 1.6 trillion CHF by the close of 2021. With over 50,000 employees and operations spread across 150 offices in roughly 50 countries, the bank was a cornerstone of global finance. But behind its impressive facade, Credit Suisse was beset by challenges that would ultimately lead to its dramatic collapse. The unravelling of Credit Suisse began with a series of damaging scandals. In 2019, the bank was embroiled in a spying controversy, surveilling its own executive, Iqbal Khan, who had defected to rival UBS. This scandal forced the resignation of then-CEO Tidjane Thiam in February 2020, setting off a chain of destabilizing events. 2021 saw further turmoil with the collapse of Archegos Capital and Greensill Capital, in which Credit Suisse was heavily invested. These collapses resulted in a staggering pre-tax loss of nearly $1 billion, prompting leadership changes and an independent investigation that pointed to failures in risk management. The leadership instability continued into 2022, with Chairman Antonio Horta Osorio resigning in January after violating COVID-19 quarantine protocols. By August, an unsubstantiated rumour of the bank's impending failure triggered massive client withdrawals, totalling 110 billion CHF by the end of 2022. These events eroded investor confidence and placed the bank on precarious footing. In a bid to stabilise operations, Credit Suisse announced plans to borrow $54 billion from the Swiss National Bank in early 2023. However, the withdrawal of financial backing by its largest shareholder, Saudi National Bank, due to regulatory constraints, left Credit Suisse vulnerable. The final blow came in March 2023, as the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank in the United States sent shockwaves through the global financial system. Amidst this turmoil, Swiss authorities orchestrated a historic takeover, allowing UBS to acquire Credit Suisse for 3 billion CHF, a move approved without shareholder consent. The impact of this acquisition is profound. With UBS absorbing Credit Suisse, the future of its 50,000 employees remains uncertain as downsizing and office closures loom. The Swiss government has committed 100 billion CHF to ensure the deal's success, while investors in Credit Suisse's contingent convertible bonds faced a loss of over 16 billion CHF. This merger consolidates UBS's position, with projected assets under management reaching approximately $5 trillion. But it also casts a shadow over Switzerland's reputation as a stable banking hub. The collapse of Credit Suisse, once a bastion of financial stability, raises critical questions about the future of Swiss banking. As UBS navigates this complex integration, the global financial community watches closely, pondering the long-term implications for Switzerland's banking sector. The events surrounding Credit Suisse's downfall serve as a cautionary tale, underscoring the importance of governance, risk management and resilience in the volatile world of global finance. The merger between UBS and Credit Suisse marks the end of an era for one of Switzerland's oldest financial institutions. As the dust settles, the world turns its gaze to UBS, now the sole major Swiss bank, to see if it can uphold the legacy and stability that Credit Suisse once represented. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth exploration of Credit Suisse's collapse. For more stories and insights from the world of finance, subscribe and stay informed as we continue to bring you the latest in global financial developments.